Uh, this video is about the negative temperature as a increase in heat from a laser being focused by a mirror. Only in this case, the mirror is space-time itself. So the laser is our biophotons as spirit. And what people don't realize is that science has proven that we have lasers inside us as biophoton energy. And so our ghost inside us is a coherent laser energy that's also holographic. And the reason this is possible is because a laser works by population inversion, which means that the light that powers the laser has to be pumped into a higher frequency, and then a second light is sent in to the first light that then triggers a cascade of energy being emitted due to the pumped population inversion of the photons. And Brian Josephson, the Nobel physicist, discusses this in terms of meditation and the Josephson effect that he received the Nobel Prize for in physics. And he says that listening to music is similar to a laser. And this is called super radiance because it creates a super coherent, superconducting radiation from the vacuum as a space-time symmetry breaking. And if you read his Nobel Prize lecture talk, he talks about the Josephson effect due to symmetry breaking of space-time. And the NIST, National Institute of Science and of Standards of Technology, they use the Josephson effect of a superconductor to measure the definition of a volt. What is the origin of a volt as pressure? And so when we turn our light around in meditation, then we are pumping up the laser energy inside us as a increase in frequency and a population in inversion. And we're doing this using space-time as proto-consciousness. As Nobel physicist Roger Penrose explains, that consciousness as left brain dominant awareness is created due to a space-time collapse, a gravitational collapse of proto-consciousness that is non-local and non-commutative. And so it is like a new force, as his collaborator, Professor Basil J. Hiley, describes the non-commutative time, frequency, energy as a new self-aware and formal cause of reality. It is a new inner force because it's non-commutative, and therefore it can't be directly observed by science due to the time frequency uncertainty principle, or Fourier uncertainty, as the measurement problem in quantum physics. But in meditation, we can resonate directly with the non-commutative, non-local time, frequency, energy to create the population inversion of the laser energy, as using space-time as a attenuation or focusing lens, and or as a mirror, like a silver-lined half reflective mirror, or it could be space-time as being fully curved, in which case the spirit is reflected directly back to its origin of the non-local time, frequency, energy itself as the guiding pilot wave. And that's all I'll say. Thanks.